Just 5 games on a Tuesday night in the association. This clip known by no other name than the Daily Zap. We start you off in Philly, Indiana. Boy, this is a hot team heading into the playoffs. They're looking to lock up home court advantage, and the way they're playing, they're going to do it. 102-97 Pacers take down Philly, who's trying to hang on to that 8th spot. Two teams looking to just get better. Playing out the rest of the season, it's Cleveland and Detroit. Brandon Knight had his best game of his career, 11 of 12 from the field, a career-high 28 points in Detroit, just all over Cleveland, 116-77. Maybe the best game of the night. Carmelo Anthony, a triple-double. Yeah, that's right, a triple-double for Melo. He puts the Knicks on his back, and they win at 118-110. Also some hot three-point shooting from Steve Novak and J.R. Smith in that one. Memphis heads into Minnesota, and the Timberwolves at home. They lose their 11th straight game. It's the Grizzlies, 91-84 in that one. And the Spurs, the Lakers, Tony Parker, that's nicely done. The Lakers at home get crushed by the Spurs, and that's your Daily Zap.